Right, let's have a look at these then. What's nice about this is because they're the same value, we can just we could take them away from one another. This take away that, and the x's would cancel. Or we could simply add them, and the y's would cancel, wouldn't they? So I'm going to try adding them now because these are the same but opposite signs. So we're going to do just add them. So 1 plus 2 on both sides. See what that gives. X and x is 2x. And can you see when you add these, they cancel each other out? That's why we're doing it. They disappear and we get 12. So x equals 6 then, doesn't it? Because we move the 2 from times to divide. X is 6, and so y from 1 is 10 minus x. X is 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. So y equals 4. Next one. These are the same value, so we can take one from the other, can't we? If we take this one, take that one, because this is bigger. So 1 take away 2 on both sides then. This lot take away that lot. This take that will cancel, because they're the same. 3x take x is 2x. And on the other side, 5 take 1 is 4. So move the 2 down, we see x is 4 over 2 is x is 2 then. And we can see what y is, can't we? Because let's move the y over here. So 2 gives y is equal to, I'm going to move that over there, leave the x as is, and move the 1 over to be with the x to become minus 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So there's y. And you can check it's right, because 6 minus 1 is 5. And we've got 2 minus 1 is 1. So everything seems good. Next problem then. Let's go down to this one. These are the same, so why don't we take them away? If we do this, take that, the double minus will be a plus, and it will all get a positive b, won't we? So if we do 1 minus 2 on both sides, so this, take that on this side, these cancel, minus 3b minus 4b is plus 4b, so you've got 4 take 3 is 1. So that's why we did 1 minus 2 to get a b positive. If we had done 2 minus 1, we'd have had a minus b here, which is only slightly more awkward. So we're 1 minus 2, that, take away that. This, take away minus 4 is plus 4. 4 take 2 is 2. So b is 2. And by either one of these, a, by number 1, is minus 2 plus 3b, isn't it? Equals minus 2 plus 3 2 is 6. So a is equal to 4. We can check the answer's correct, can't we? 4 and a is 4 and b is 2. Next one. Here we could simply just double this term here, and then that'd be the same, wouldn't it, but opposite sides. So let's do 2 of these. So 2 times 2 then. 2 of these, 2 of this side is 4x. 2 of these is minus 2y equals 8. Label that 3. Now these are the same but opposite signs. We can just add 3 and 1. So 1 plus 3 then. 3x and 4x is 7x. This and this added cancels. And then we got 6 and 8 is 14. So that tells us what x is. 14 over 7 is 2. X is 2, and we can get y from number 2 easily, can't we? Because if we move that y over here and write it down, it will be 2x, leave that as is, and then move the 4 to minus 4 to be rid of 2x. 2 2's are 4, 4 minus 4 is 0. So y equals 0. Okay, that's that one. Next one. Okay, let's move on to this one then. Double this one, so 4c plus 2d equals 4, that's number 3. Double this side equals double that side. Now these are the same, we can take them away. Take this, take that, 1 take 3, because that was bigger. 5c take 4c is c. 2d take 2d goes. 6 take 4 is 2. So c is 2. And we can get d from here. So d is equal to 2 minus 2c, isn't it? Which is 2 minus 2 2's are 4. So D equals minus 2. Right, good. Next one. We've got 3 and 6, so it'd be nice to double this, wouldn't it? That's easy. So twice of this lot, 6p plus 36q then. That equals twice of this minus 60, and that's number 3. Now we can take them away. 3 take 2, isn't it? 3 minus 2. This take this cancels. 36 minus 4 is 32q. Minus 60 minus 12 is plus 12. So that's minus 48. So q is equal to minus 48 over 32. Tap it in the calculator. The 16 is common top and bottom if you cancel it down. 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 is q. And p, where would be easiest to get p? I suppose this one's easiest, isn't it? So number 1, 3p is equal to minus 30 minus 18q. 18q, which is minus 3 over 2. So what do we get here? The 2's cancel to 9. 9 3s are 27, and a minus is a plus, so it's minus 30 plus 27. So 3p is equal to minus 3. So p is equal to minus 1. So we got p equals minus 1, q equals minus 3 over 2. Awkward fractions there. Next example. This one, you could either do 6 here or 12. I'm inclined to do 12 because I can just add them. But I could do 6. I think I will do 6 actually, because then I'll get a positive number of a's. So let's triple that one. So 3 times 1. So we'll get 12a minus 6b equals minus 18. 3 of these, 3 of these, and 3 of these. And 4 times 2. 4 of these is minus 12a. 4 of these is minus 12b equals 4 of these. 4 6s are 24. Now we can add them, 3 and 4. So 3 plus 4, I suppose, is what we need to do here. These cancel. We get minus 18b. That's awkward, isn't it? And add these two, and we get 6. So b is equal to 6 over minus 18, which is minus 1/3 when you cancel it down. So b is minus 1/3. A we can get from here. So number 1, 4a equals minus 6. Move that over to plus 2b. 4a then. Minus 6 plus 2b, which is minus 2/3. Minus 2 over 3. This is minus 18/3. Minus another 2/3, isn't it, if we write the equivalent fractions. So 4a is equal to minus 20 over 3. So a will equal minus 20. I'll bring the 4 down to be with the 3 underneath. And 4 goes into 25 times. So it's equal to minus 5/3. Okay, good. Next one. We've got this one here. We've got a bit more room. So I'll just move this out of the way for the moment. And try and do some work here for this one. It's quite nice, 2 and 3 is 6, isn't it? So that's the easiest thing to do. Here, triple this one. So 3 times 1. 3 of these. 3 of those. Equals 3 of these. And we want 2 of these, don't we? 2 of these. 2 of these. Equals 2 of these minus 4. Okay, so we got that. Now, if we take them away from one another, I'm going to do this, take this, so we get a plus x. So I'm going to do 4, take away 3. this take away that becomes plus 18 minus 10 is 8x. This take that cancels. And this take away that, minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. So x is equal to minus 10 over 8, which is minus 5 over 4. Okay, so y will equal then, where will be y to get best? By 1. 2y is equal to 2 plus 6x, which is 2y equals 2 plus 6 of these. 6 times minus 5 over 4. That's a 2. That's a 3. So you've got 2, and we're dealing with halves here. So that's 4 over 2 is 2. Minus 15 over 2. Okay, which is minus 11 over 2. So 2y is equal to minus 11 over 2. So y will equal, then move the 2 from times to divide, minus 11 over 4. So again, that was all good fractions, wasn't it? But it's no more difficult in principle. Okay, that's that one. Now we'll do the last one here. So I'm just going to scratch a bit of room above so we can work on it now. Oops. Let's just do it again. Give myself a bit of room. Just tidy it up a bit. And now we'll do this one. Last one. Okay, what should we do? Should we just, we could times this one by 7 and add them, couldn't we? Why don't we do that? So times this one by 7. So number 1 times 7. 7 of these is 28x. 7 of these is minus 7y. 7 nines is 63. And now we can add these two, can't we? They'll cancel. So add 3 and 2. 28 minus 3 is 25x. These added cancel. 63 and 2 is 65. So x is equal to 65 over 25. Cancel by 5, top and bottom. 13 over 5. So that's x. We can get y here by number 1. Y equals, I'm going to move the y over there, and move the 9 to be with the 4x. Becomes minus 9, which is 4 times 13 over 5, minus 9. 4 13s are 52 over 5, and as fifths, scale this up by 5, because it's 9 over 1, isn't it? 5 of these is 5 9s are 45 over 5. That's 9 as an improper fraction in fifths. So that's 7 fifths. And x is equal to 13 fifths.